Hello guys, this is Gabby. Welcome to lesson 5 talking about age and numbers in Chinese. Today we're going to learn how to talk about people's age and we will keep learning about the numbers which are bigger than 10. Now let's get started. First, let's check out the new words. Please read the new words after me. Number 1, 女儿 女儿 which is daughter. Number 2, 几 几 it means how many, normally used to ask about the numbers. Number 3, 岁 岁 岁 means year used to describe age. Number 4, 了 了 Now let's put the new words together to make sentence, even a conversation. So here there is a short conversation. Read after me first. 你几岁？我9岁。他呢？他8岁。Yeah, let's check it out. 你几岁 or 你几岁了 了 here in the end, you can use it. You can say 你几岁了 or you can drop it. You just say 你几岁. Both of them work. They work the same. They mean the same. It's just a personal option. You can use it or you can drop it. Yeah, it's up to you. How old are you? 你几岁？我9岁。Yeah, I'm 9 years old. 他呢？呢？ We talked about this from lesson 4. Yeah, it means how about, right? 你几岁？ How old are you? And how about she? 她几岁？她呢？她呢 actually means 她几岁 or we say 她几岁了 Yeah, we answer 她8岁8岁9岁 These are the numbers 8 9 10 We learned in lesson 4, right? Okay, you see 你几岁我9岁她几岁他8岁 That's how you ask and answer about people's age. Now, let's move on to a longer conversation. A conversation between Lucy and Gabby. Gabby, here. Yeah, please read after me. 她是你的女儿吗？是。她是我的女儿。你女儿几岁了？她9岁。Here, 她是你的女儿吗？她 This 她 is for female. Girl, is she your daughter? Right? We have ma in the end, so it's a question. Is she your daughter? 她是你的女儿吗？ Why do I draw a line under 你的女儿 when I'm reading it? Yeah, that's because I want to remind you to keep these words together. Because they are supposed to be together. They work as a phrase. So don't make stop in between, okay? You just say 你的女儿你的女儿她是你的女儿吗？是 Here, there are two 是 but they mean differently. The first one 她是你的女儿吗？ This 是 means is she your daughter? But the second one 是 it means yes. Yes, she is my daughter, right? 她是我的女儿。 你的女儿，我的女儿。的 we learned it before from lesson 2. If you missed lesson 2, just go to the playlist and watch it. Okay, now 你的女儿，我的女儿. Then here we have 你女儿。你女儿 here just means 你的女儿. They both means your daughter. Yeah, again, it's a personal option. Somebody say 你的女儿 and somebody like to say 你女儿. They mean the same, but just a different expression. Yeah, 你女儿几岁了? How old is your daughter? 你女儿几岁了? 她9岁. She is 9. She is 9 years old, right? Okay, this is the conversation asking and answering about people's age. Yeah, in many culture, asking about age is not so polite, but I think it's okay to talk about the children, right? To ask about children's age. And even though you don't actually use it to ask people's age randomly, but we still need to know, we need to understand it because there are numbers we need to know. And today we will keep learning numbers. Yeah, the numbers from 11 to 20. When you get numbers from 1 to 10, then 11 to 20 become very easy for you because they're all based on 10. Everything is just a 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 2 is 12, right? So, same. 10. 10. Remember this? 10. That's the sign language in China. 10. So, 11. 11. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 16. 17. Or 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 9. A hawk here. 9. 20. 20. Remember how we used the sign language to memorize the character? And I told you, when you know some basic Chinese character, it will help you get improved high efficiently. Yeah, today I'm going to tell you why. Let's check out 15 here. 10, the sign language for 10, we have this a fist or 2 fingers crossing, right? This is 10. And then 15. Check out this. 5. We talked about it, how to remember it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we can try to memorize it and memorize it like this. So now, once you know the character 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know this is 5. Okay. I can tell you this is 5. This is also 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. Why they are all 5? Well, I have to admit, I made it vague about all the pronunciation of these characters. Yeah, they are all at the same pinyin like this, but they are actually at different tones. For example, this is 5, this is also 5, but here, this one is 5. But you got the idea. They have the same sound. They have the basically same sound. Because they all have this 5 character in it. Do you get the idea? So that's why I told you, once you get some basic characters, it will help you to get improved high efficiently in the future. Yeah, but of course, again, you need the foundation. You need to know some basic characters first. So that's why, again, please pay attention to the characters when you get started learning from the very beginning. Yeah, it will help you a lot in the future study. Yeah, so anyway, I hope you got everything I just said. And if you find my video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe. And let's continue next time to study more. Thanks for watching. 再见。